Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Imelda Safitri from the Indonesian Language and Literature Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Universitas Muhammadiyah of Tangerang. I'm here to introduce the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, the Indonesian Language and Literature Education Study Program to you. In this video, I will explain the major in Indonesian Language and Literature Education that I'm currently taking. Surely, many people out there are wondering, what is Indonesian Language and Literature Education? For some people, this major is considered easy and easily underestimated. And many say that why learn Indonesian, even though we are already proficient in Indonesian. Even children today prefer to learn foreign language. In contrast, foreign also want to learn to speak Indonesian. So, in this study program, you will gain knowledge of the Indonesian language starting from its structure, correct pronunciation, and much more. Are you confused about going to college? Confused about choosing a major? Why must be confused, friend? There is a Muhammadiyah University of Tangerang, which is one of the study program in Indonesian language and literature education. So, for those of you who like literature or language education, you can go there. In addition, students are accustomed to dress modestly, always read book, be disciplined and respect others. The study program also has a HIMA organization or student association. In this study program, we can get to know literature because it's a combination of educator and literature. Study program Faculty of Teacher Training and Education not only prepare you to achieve your goals as a professional and skilled teacher, but also becomes a professional in other fields such as actor, actress, translator, writer, and linguist. In the Indonesian Language and Literature Education Study Program, the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education has a vision and mission too. Vision: to become an excellent and Islamic study program for Indonesian language and literature education in the field of education, research, and community service in Banten Province in 2008. Mission: to achieve the above vision, the Indonesian Language and Literature Education Study Program has set the following mission: organizing education and learning in the field of Indonesian language and literature in a professional manner, organizing scientific activities in the field of Indonesian language and literature, information technology, art, and Indonesian culture, organizing community service activities in the field of Indonesian language and literature, collaborating with internal and external institutions, creating an academic atmosphere of Al-Islam Kemuhammadiyahan, improving the quality of education and education personnel, improve adequate facilities and infrastructure, increase customer satisfaction to user. And the purpose of the Indonesian Language and Literature Education Study Program are produce Indonesian language education graduates who have pedagogic, personality, social, and professional or academic competencies, producing creative and innovative educator in carrying out Indonesian language and literature learning activities, produce graduate of Indonesian language and literature education with superior and Islamic personalities, produce other competencies besides being an Indonesian language teacher, for example as a journalist, editing, presenting, or scriptwriter, produce quality educator, availability of adequate facilities and infrastructure. There are knowledge and skill gained from this study program: oral communication skills, written communication skills, reading comprehension ability, ability to perform analysis, systematic thinking skill, and interpersonal skill. Why should you choose this study program? First, not much competition. The reason for choosing Indonesian literature major is because this department does not have too many competitors. Only people who fall in love with literature dare to make the decision to enter this major, and there are not many of them. So if you want a major that doesn't have a lot of competition, it's appropriate to choose Indonesian literature. And second, not limited to book. Studying Indonesian literature is not limiting to studying book. More than that, you will learn to analyze literary work to learn literary terms you have never heard of, such as syntax, morphology, and phonology. Third, so more often read books. This course will also make you read books more often, ranging from literary works from the independence era to modern ones. This is perfect if you also like reading books. 4. Learn various language skills. The reason for choosing the next Indonesian literature major is because you will learn various linguistic skills, ranging from writing, reading, and listening. 5. Job prospect in the writing sector. Graduates of Indonesian literature have broad job prospects, especially in the field of writing. You can choose to be a news writer, book writer, or film script writer. If you are interested in majoring in Indonesian language and literature education, please visit the Muhammadiyah University of Tangerang at Perintis Kemerdekaan 1 Street, number 33, Cikokol, Tangerang, or the website or Instagram at fkipumt or at pbse@fkipumt and call 021 5539 532. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.